I'm Robert Esther, and you're watching LivingPianos.com, presenting a beautiful Steinway Model L. You know, we have so many Steinways, and you know, some of our Steinways take over a year to rebuild, meticulously crafting all the action parts, restringing, fashioning new pin blocks. There's an amazing amount of work. That's why when we get a piano like this from 1981, all original, barely played, it is such a pleasure. Just do some fine regulation and voicing, tuning, cleanup, and you've got a piano that's almost like new. I'm going to play a couple of selections so you can hear the nice, warm, round tone of this piano. I'm going to start off playing for you the beginning of the Chopin Third Ballade, the A-flat Ballade. Listen to the melody and the sustained tone. You know, this piano feels like it isn't even fully broken in yet. Everything is really precise. And I'm going to play for you a movement of Beethoven that requires really fine tonal control. This is the second movement of his C minor sonata, Opus 10, number 1, the beginning part of that gorgeous melody. Beautiful furniture as well. Piano was kept in just wonderful condition. Didn't require the major work that we sometimes have to do. Tremendous value. These pianos are, I believe, over $100,000 new now to get a 5'10" and a half. Great size. It's a grand piano, not a baby grand, but still not a huge instrument. It'll fit in most homes, and you can enjoy a Steinway for yourself. Again, I'm Robert Estrin. You're watching livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Thanks so much for joining me.